Hi, I'm Ray. I'm in the garden today, and a few weeks ago Steve from Digwell Greenfingers sent a challenge, and it was a single seed potato challenge, and he sent us a small potato in the post, and we have to grow the biggest yield. Well, I cut up my potato, I put it into sections, and as we can see in the next couple of clips, my potato wasn't great. So let me show you the next couple of clips of what my potato went like. So as you can see, it was a bit disastrous, and I wasn't sure whether anything was going to come of it. Only one of the bits of potato had an eye that looked any good. But anyway, I got 6 pots, and I planted all 6 pots with all 6 pieces of potato, and we did manage to grow one. We've also managed to grow some other things. So this is the pots that we grew, and as you can see, the first pot got a nasturtium in, the second pot has got a potato in, the next pot has got some grass, and the next one's got some stinging nettles. So we're doing quite well. And we've also got this sticky plant growing, so we're doing quite well from that one potato. Not quite sure how we manage all that, but anyway, I'm going to carry on, and we're going to plant this one that has a bit of potato in, and we're going to see if we can still get a yield from the potato. I'm going to remove the sticky old thing, not great, and the rest of the weeds. So this was one of the slips of potato. Have a little look, see if we can see anything underneath. This little slug. Let's have a look. Well, we can't see any potato at the present, so I'm just going to plant this in my container. And I've got a big container, got lots of holes in, and we've just got a bit of homemade compost straight out the bin. It even comes with broken clothes pegs. So there we go. And I'm going to plant my one tiny potato plant, and we'll see what happens. That's all we can do. This is a combination of leaves, grass, potato droppings, potato rabbit droppings, bottle lids, pegs, all sorts. Pegs. So there we go. So that is our potato challenge from Steve, Digwell Fingers. There we go. Gonna fill it up. Not gonna do any more with it. That's it. Just leave it in the garden and see what happens. So come back and see what happens, if anything grows or not. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and we'll come back, see whether we get any potatoes from this bucket. Cheers.